In this video, I'll show you how to add a white border to an image to make this thumbnail using the free tool called Canva. This tutorial will work both on free or paid versions of Canva. So if you want to make thumbnails for YouTube, this video is for you. Let's go. First of all, you'll need to go to canva.com. And if you haven't already signed up, do that now. It's free and it's easy. On the home screen, go to the search box and type in YouTube thumbnail and select. From this page, there's several templates we can use, but we're going to be starting from scratch and creating our own blank thumbnail. So we click here on create a blank thumbnail. First of all, we'll add a background. Click on background and I'm going to use this nice blue one. Once you have your image, either by selecting the photo in Canva or uploading one as I've done, simply click on it to transfer that to the canvas. Once on your canvas, you may need to resize. To do this, simply click on the image and hold the little circle in the corner and drag it out. You can see with this image we have a flat arm there, so I'm going to flip that to put it on the other side. Now we need to duplicate the image. We do this by clicking on this symbol here, the two boxes with the cross on. This gives us a second image. We'll move this out of the way for the moment. With the original image selected, we need to just resize it up a little bit more to make it a bit bigger. And then we're going to add the effect. We're going to add a duotone effect. Any of these will work. I'm going to use cherry. Once the effect has been applied, click on the three lines and change the highlights to white by dragging the little circle to the top left hand corner, and also the shadows. Do the same. This makes our image completely white. Now, move our original image back over the top and you can see now we have a white outline all the way around our girl. If you click on the background, hold down and drag to select both images, we can now group these, which enables us to move together and transform together if we need to move them or transform them. Okay, so we need to add some text. We can click the text icon on the left hand side or just press the shortcut key T. Then we can format our text to our liking. We can change the size. We can change the font. I'm going to use Horizon, and the size. Once we're happy, we can duplicate this for our second word and again for our third word. Once we're happy with this, we can create a shadow effect by duplicating the word again, changing the colour, and then moving it above to where we like it. For more precise movements, we can use the left and right up and down arrow keys. I'll do the same with the other two words. I'm also going to make the background a little darker. We can change this by clicking on the background, selecting the colour and changing our colour. I like this one. Then we can add a couple of arrows in Elements. If we type in arrow, we can choose the one we like. I like this one, it's free. We position it to where we need it to be. Duplicate it. We can flip it over, rotate it round, and to finish off, if we search for Canva, we have a selection of Canva icons. So once you have your text as you like it, we need to download it. To download, simply hit the download button. Make sure that PNG is selected and click download. Canva will prepare your design and you'll see it in the bottom left hand corner. Click this and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please feel free to comment, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thanks again for watching.